Hi everybody. You're wondering why your I-751 application to remove condition is taking so long to process? Well, in this video we'll learn about processing times and what they are and how long does it take to process such petitions. Stay tuned. Hello everybody, Jacob here with another video to inform you on the latest immigration information. And before I get into this video, I just wanted to thank all our viewers and our subscribers for keep watching our videos and giving us encouragements and sending us questions and supporting our channel, sharing it with your friends. We love it and thank you very much. In this video, I want to talk about the processing times of the particular application 751, petition to remove conditions. As you know, when a couple files for their green card, the initial petition, if they're married less than 2 years, they get a conditional green card. And after 2 years, you have to file a petition to remove conditions. Well, that petition is called I-751 petition to remove conditions. And once it's filed, it's really taking a long time to process. And most people, the most common question I do get on our website or on our Facebook Messenger or on our YouTube comments is, how long is it going to take for my 751 petition to be processed? It's taking forever. Well, first of all, it really depends where in the US you reside and where is this application pending. Remember, we have four processing centers. We have the Texas Processing Center, we have the California Processing Center, we have Vermont, and we have Nebraska. And each one of those centers will have a different processing times depending on when this petition was filed. And so it's really important to know where your case is being processed. And then on the Immigration USCIS website, there is a way to find out when and how this case is being processed. In fact, I will put a link to that USCIS section, how you can check the current processing times of, and again, they're very average. They give you a range. And so, for example, if your case is pending at the California Service Center, right now they're processing about 15.5 to 19.5 months. That's how long it's going to take for petitions that were submitted in August of 2017. If your application is processed at the Vermont Processing Center, right now we're looking at 15.5 to 19.5 months for applications that were filed in July 2017. If your application is at the Texas Service Center, right now again, at 15.5 to 19.5 months for applications filed in July 2017, really a long time. And finally, if your case is at Nebraska Service Center, they're about 16 to 23.5 months, and cases that filed in April 2017. So as you can see, it's taken definitely a long time. And we will do a comparison of, in a future video of different years where similar applications were filed. But as of now, 2019, I'm recording this in March 2019. These are the current processing times. And again, I'll put a link in the notes of this video where you can actually go and check yourself the processing time. So that's the reason why it's taking so long. Now, remember, it's not just that. So you know that when you file the 751 application, you may be receiving a request for evidence, or typically they're asking for more information about the bona fides of the marriage, and they give you a time frame when to respond. If you respond quick enough, then of course your case will be continued to be processed. If you take your time to respond, of course it's going to cause delays in your case. So again, if you get any RFEs, make sure you respond correctly. Again, if you move addresses, some people move addresses and they don't update those addresses, and they send you notices with RFEs and requests for more information, and sometimes they make a decision and you don't know about it. Those things can also affect the processing time of your case. So remember, if you move, make sure you update the USCIS. But the most important thing is that to be patient and wait for your turn, because it will be adjudicated at the end of the day. And in the meantime, if you have a stamp, you get a receipt typically with an extension of your case for more than a year, and if that expires, you can go back to the local office and get an extension of your stay, and so you are able to continue being a resident and move in and out of the country and continue working. But of course, the goal is to get the green card, And so right now, these are the processing times that are being processed at this moment. So, and this is why it's taking so long. Hopefully this information was helpful. If it was helpful, please leave a comment, leave us a like, and share it with your friends and family. We appreciate the love, and we look forward to seeing you at our next video. Thanks for watching.